But just on it, Stefan, you scored goals. You know the feeling of scoring a goal in a big tournament at Wembley, as we remember only too well. 13 years, you don't get that feeling. Are you getting it back now? Is that the feeling in the dugout when the goal goes in and your team gets great wins? Is it the same as it used to be all those years ago?
When I retired, when I stopped my career, you know, I was 1 year unemployed. Is it right? Unemployed, and this was that time you are sitting at home and watching, for example, your wife when she fills up the dishing wash machine, or how it is called, and you give her some advice. Maybe you can change this blade to that blade. And at that moment, my wife said, "Hey, you have to find something who replace your feeling to score a goal, because if not, it will be a hard time." And so I changed this because I start to study football management, and I find my satisfaction in doing this job at that time. And I thought I replaced everything. But if I'm honest, I looked at my pants after the match, and there was some dirt on my knees. So afterwards, they told me that I was laying on the ground because I have so much joy in me and emotions. So I think it's not over. Not yet over, not quite over, not quite. In my age, it's okay if it's not quite over, but it's a little bit another thing. If you score a goal, you are proud of yourself and maybe of the guy who gives you the assist. And now you are not too much proud. You are more happy with the players because they can now take this feeling. And I said the happiest moment was when I saw the picture they made by themselves in the locker room after the game, because I know their faces and there was so much happiness in their faces. This is another emotion, not the same, but close to it.